Asubal, Jubilatore, Tobinaderos, Tobilabo, steal by Kato to Angko, Aiko. Balon. Bilabor giving the ball to Dilatore, good for 2 points. Dilatore to Pisas to Aiko to Kaiko, good for 3 points. Dilatore, steal by Aiko, good for 2 points. Pisas, steal by Kumbalan to Kato, good for 2 points. By Kato. Kasumpang to Bilabo to Granaderos, good for 2 points. Granaderos. Pisas during the ball. Pisas to Lungay, good for 2 points. Lungay. Aiko nagmamadali. Pinasa ay Lungay, good for 2 points. Lungay. To Lungay again, no good again. Rebound by Granaderos. Granaderos, Zarani with ball. To Dilatore, good for 2 points. Dilatore. Aiko dribbling the ball. Aiko nagmamadali si Aiko sa gitna. Pinasa kay Lungay. Kambalon, good for 2 points. May kasamang foul. Granaderos, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Subay. Good for 2 points. Asubar. Damalerio, jersey number 13 to Umbahin, good for 2 points. Umbahin. Asubar drive to Buligao, naghanap na kasama tumira, good for 2 points. Buligao. Lerio, no good, rebound by, good for 2 points. Steal, Aiko nagmamadali si Aiko, pinasa kay Damalerio, no good, rebound by, good for 2 points. Good for 2 points. Sorry. Bidasa steal. Umbahin, good for 2 points. Umbahin. Buligao 3-2. Granaderos. Steal by Ruiz nagmamadali. Ruiz. Block. Buligao. Pinasa sa kalaban. Damalerio. Easy basket by Damalerio. Good for. Asubar. Good for 2 points. Asubar. Mamadali si Pisas. Steal by Jess for Ruiz, good for 2 points. Lerio to Logo, Lerio, good for 2 points. Asubay, nagmamadali, good for 2 points. Pisas, steal by Ruiz to Asubay, good for 2 points. Ayan to Ruiz tumira ng 3, good for 2 points. Ruiz to Jess, easy basket, good for 2 points. Pisas nagmamadali si Pisas to Lungay ba? 5 minutes. Asubay to Ruiz tumira ng 3, good for Dilatore good, no good. Rebound by Asubay to Dilatore again, good for 2 points. Naghahanap na kasama Dilatore to Granaderos to Ruiz. Easy basket, 4 minutes to Ruiz, tumira ng 3. To Asubay sa gitna. May kasama foul, good for 2 points. Ruiz, down. Steal to Aiko nagmamadali, good for 2 points. Aiko dribble ball. Aiko haras mabilabe. Aiko sa gitna. Pinasa kay Kambalon. Good for 2 points. Bola. Bilabe. Steal by Aiko. Drive. Good for 2 points. Aiko. Ang kasama pass to Torion tumira ng 3. Steal by Kambalon to Kato nagmamadali. Easy basket by Kato. Torion. Steal by Aiko nagmamadali to Kato, easy basket. Kato yan tumira, no good. Rebound by Asubay, good for 2 points. Aiko dumalas na, steal by Asubay nagmamadali, easy basket by Asubay. Kambalan to. Rebound by Aiko. Kato to Pisas Pisas to Aiko. Aiko tumira ng tres. Bang! Good for 2 points. Lerio to Kato. Kato to Lerio. Good for 2 points. Asubay to Ruiz. Good for 2 points. Ruiz. Haras ba Asubay? Pass to Kato. Kato to Umbahan. Good for 2 points. Ito tumaya. Steal by Lerio. Lerio steal to Ruiz. Good for 2 points by Ruiz. 6 minutes. Steal by Aiko. Steal by Cambalon to Aiko. Good for 2 points. Aiko. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Now, meron na pala. Drive. Good for 2 points by Jan. Asubay. Good for 2 points. Asubay. 5 minutes. Pisas naghanap ng kasama. Pinasa kay Damalario. Third quarter. Good for 2 points. Nagaras ang manadali to Salvan. Good for 2 points by Salvan. Aiko to Pisas. Pisas tumira ng tres. Bang! Good for 3 points. Pisas. Remaining time. Aiko arrest by Ruiz. Steal by Ganaderas to Ruiz. Good for 2 points. Ruiz. Good in the ball. Aiko to Cambalon. Cambalon, good for 2 points. Ruiz, steal by Aiko. Aiko drive. Good for 2 points. Aiko. Naman sa bola. Ruiz, tumira ng tres. Good for 2 points. Nagmamadali, naghahanap ng kasama. Pass to Kato. Kato tumira ng tres. Bang! Good for 3 points. Kato. Aiko to Kato. Kato drive. Good for 2 points. Kato. Ball sa gitna. Steal by Asubay to Salvan. Bang! Good for 2 points. Salvan. Tumira ng tres. Hindi umabot. Rebound by Asubay to Salvan. Good for 2 points. Pass to steal by Pisas nagmamadali. Pass to Damalario sa gitna. No good. Steal by Pisas sa gitna. Good for 2 points. Pisas. Pass by Cambalon to Asubay tres. Good for 3 points. Asubay. Aiko to Pisas nagmamadali. Good for 2 points. Pisas. Salvan gumit na. May good rebound by Asubay. Good for 2 points. Asubay. To Ruiz drive. Good for 2 points. Nagsabi na 4th quarter. To Ruiz. Block by Lungay. Asubay tumira na press. May good rebound by Asubay sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Asubay 1 minute lang nakasama. Pinasa kay Salvan. Steal by Damalario to Aiko sa gitna. Bang! Good for 2 points. Aiko. Taray lang. Ganadero!